Can you stand on a public street and watch police or ICE agents do their job? Can you record them? The answer is yes, and it's constitutionally protected. Legal observers serve a critical function in a democracy. They document law enforcement activities, deter misconduct, and create an independent record of what happened. This isn't new. Legal observer programs have existed for decades, often organized by civil rights groups like the ACLU or National Lawyers Guild. The law is clear. 8 federal circuit courts have ruled that the First Amendment protects your right to record law enforcement in public spaces. As the First Circuit explained in Glick v. Cuniff, filming police serves a cardinal First Amendment interest in protecting and promoting the free discussion of governmental affairs. You can observe from public spaces like sidewalks, streets, and parks. You can record video and audio. You can follow officers as they move through public areas. You can warn others that enforcement is happening. What you cannot do is physically interfere. That means blocking access, touching officers or their equipment, or refusing lawful orders to disperse from an active crime scene. Courts recognize that officers can set reasonable distance requirements for safety. But "I don't like being reported" isn't a valid safety concern. Some states have tried to restrict this right with buffer zone laws, requiring observers to stay a certain distance back. These laws face serious constitutional challenges. Arizona passed an 8-foot buffer law that's currently being challenged on First Amendment grounds. DHS claims that observing and recording ICE sure sounds like obstruction of justice. They're wrong, and they know it. In fact, their own policy states that body cameras will not be used for the sole purpose of recording individuals engaged in First Amendment activity, acknowledging that such activity is protected. If officers tell you to stop recording, you can refuse. If they detain or arrest you for observing, that's likely a violation of your constitutional rights. Document everything. Get badge numbers if visible. Contact a civil rights attorney. The Supreme Court said it best. The ability to oppose and challenge police action without arrest is one of the principal characteristics by which we distinguish a free nation from a police state. Being a legal observer isn't obstruction, it's democracy.